to zip boy for kids wear. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, roll with your feet. T is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, who loves to call. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, who swims along. G is for goat, who loves to play. H is for hen, who clucks all day. I is for ice cream, yummy treat. J is for jump with happy feet. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a roar in the sky. M is for monkey, climbing trees. N is for nest with little bees. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pig, who rolls on the ground. Q is for queen, with crown so bright. R is for rabbit, hopping light. S is for sun shining in the sky. T is for train that goes chug chug by. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the lane. W is for watch, ticking time. X is for xylophone with notes that chime. Y is for yo-yo, spinning fast. Z is for zebra, stripes that last. Now clap your hands, we've learned A to Z. Letters are fun for you and me.